you. I would like to welcome all the members for the fourth quarterly meeting of IIC of Anti College of Pharmacy. First of all, I want to congratulate all the members for successfully completing the quarter 3 programs and events and successfully uploaded on the portal. And we noticed that most of the events have been successfully approved by the IIC MHRD. But few events I think which are going to be approved soon, and it's the process. Now we're taking up the fourth quarter meeting of this IIC, and accordingly that lot of initiatives have been taken by this IIC, and accordingly that we are to the initiative of Winter 20 institutions. So we've been again inviting the number of schools and institutions who are being a part of this mentorship program, and note that soon we're going to finalize some of the institutions who are going to be mentored under our institution, that is IIC and IIC. The fourth quarter meeting agenda of today's meeting is, first agenda is that we have to take up these activities. The first event of this fourth quarter meeting is developing online repository startups. So this is the first agenda, and the startup coordinator and the committee has to work on this, and we have to start working on this preparations for this activity, how we can plan, how we can develop that online repository for this startup, whatever the initiatives, and we have to plan the activity in advance so that we invite the experts in this way, and the experts to well recognized from the organized institutions who have been experienced in this startups, so that you can give a clear idea, information, and think about the information from the topic. The next event is going to be on session or panel discussion with innovation and startup ecosystem enablers. So again, this is a innovative coordinator, the innovative team. Again, and along with the startup coordinators and the committee members, again they will plan that how we can plan, or we can say panel discussion with the eminent persons or innovative startup experts, or we can approach them with an invitation, or some of the startups who are within our institution or IEC. So again, plan out to invite, so we can have a panel discussion among all the startup enablers, so that they can give an idea, so that how further startups can be initiated. So that will be an idea, so that our students are benefited, will be going to get a lot of benefits from this. So this session will be very important, and I hope that the concerned coordinators will be planning out in advance. Any difficulties or any support you need, you can approach the convener or to me, so that we can plan in good way. The next event is going to be on session on angel investment. As we know that many startups, even our students and faculty have been taken up in startup initiatives, but the problem is that they have been facing problem with regard to financial or funding, how to continue this startups. They may be having difficulties to run the startups, funding issues that can be addressed on this session, that is angel investment. Angel investors, a lot of angel investors are ready to invest in the startups, so that we have to convince that the session can be organized by again the internet development coordinators. So the eminent experts or angel investors will be invited for this session, and they can take up this, and as well as the startup participants can participate. So we have to provide a platform between the startup ventures, entrepreneurs, as well as angel investors, so that this can be addressed, and that session is going to be very significant in terms of that startups running or continuity of the startups. The next session is beyond minimum viable product. So this is again designing or developing a product with a minimum viability. That is a very interesting. That is again a innovative ideas, innovation that we have to bring in the product. So how we can develop this innovative product with the minimum values. So this is what again innovations, again coordinators with innovative committee, they have to take up this initiative, and again we have to invite the experts or any sessions, either it can be physically or virtually, so that it can be addressed how we can bring the idea, new innovative ideas so that minimal viable product can be developed. The next question is going to be on session on accelerators for early stage entrepreneurs. That is again last year, the previous year 2021. So we have successfully conducted this session with the accelerators. So how the entrepreneurs can be motivated, or how the initial stage, how these entrepreneurs can be supported with these accelerators. So these are the again initiatives which we are regularly following, but the same thing, I hope that entrepreneurship coordinators will take up this session and will be planning in advance. Next, these are the regular activities. Then I think these are the activities, celebration activities we are planning. And this one is World Environment Day. Of course, it's a very important topic that this should be involved. All students and faculties of the institution has to be involved. How we can celebrate this World Environment Day? It's a very essential part as per a social initiative, and it should be celebrated. And lot of planning is required in this regard to organizing this event. So I hope that all the social event coordinators and the other coordinating support of the NSS coordinators. So I hope that we can organize this event to a great extent and to a good manner, and the success of this World Environment Day will be definitely implied. It is an impact on this how we can say in the campus. In the campus environment, we can definitely make it as green or environment friendly. This is the initiatives we can take, and lot of sessions and panels can be discussed, or poster presentations, or any activity we can plan on this Environment Day celebration. The next one is World Entrepreneurs Day. Of course, this is a very interesting event which is going to be planned. We have planned already in the last year. So we have taken few initiatives that how this entrepreneur, we celebrated for I think 3-4 days last year, I can remember, but this year it can be a substantive, it should be an improvement in the whatever last year we conducted. It should be more better, it should be more value added, that how meaningfully we can celebrate these entrepreneurs. We have involved a lot of entrepreneurs, so we have involved entrepreneurs or eminent entrepreneurs who can definitely advise our entrepreneurs, and in such a way that our young budding entrepreneurs will get a guidance as well as support from those